Good afternoon, dear students. Welcome back to RV online class. In the last class, we solved we draw the format of profit and loss appropriation account. Which account? Profit and loss appropriation account format we draw now. So today we are solving one numerical question. Okay. So in your NCERT book, fifth question. Fifth question, see, I'll read the question. Rakhi and Shiksha are partners in a firm. In a partnership firm, there are mainly two partners. First one, Rakhi, and second, Shiksha. With capitals of rupees 2 lakh and 3 lakh respectively. Their contribution to the firm, Rakhi's contribution is 2 lakh and Shiksha's contribution towards the firm is 3 lakh. Okay. So who are the partners here? I will write here. Rakhi and Shiksha. Okay. So Rakhi's capital is rupees 2 lakh and Shiksha's capital rupees 3 lakh. Okay. Then the profit of the firm for the year ended 2013-14 is rupees 23,200. Then net profit is 23,200. Okay. Next information. As per the partnership agreement, means there is a active partnership deed. They share the profit in their capital ratio. What is the profit sharing ratio here? Capital ratio is the profit sharing ratio. Capital ratio means on the capital amounts, you have to find out the ratios. See, profit and loss sharing ratio. See, Rakhi's and Shiksha's capitals okay. See, I'll write here. Rakhi, Shiksha are the partners of partnership firm. Their contribution is first Rakhi's contribution 2 lakh and Shiksha's contribution is 3 lakh. Then net profits. Net profit for the firm is 23,200. Next, profit and loss sharing ratio. Profit and loss sharing ratio is capital ratio. What is the capitals of both partners? See, 2 lakh is to 3 lakh. See, we are cancelling that. Then 2 is to 3 is the capital ratio. It is a capital ratio of the partners. On that capital ratio, they are distributing the profit or loss of the partnership firm. So it is a profit sharing ratio. Okay. Next information. After allowing a salary of ₹5,000 per month to Shiksha. Shiksha is eligible for salary of ₹5,000 per month. Okay, so here Shiksha's salary is 5,000 per month. Per month 5,000 means for a 1 year, see 12 months it is 60,000. Okay, next. And interest on partner's capital account capitals at the rate of 10% per annum. Interest on capitals of partner is 10%. What is the rate of interest on capital? 10%. Interest on capital rate is 10% per annum. Okay. During the year, Rakhi withdrew ₹7,000 and Shiksha ₹10,000 for their personal use. Drawing information. Okay. Rakhi's drawing and Shiksha's drawing. Rakhi's drawing is 7,000 and Shiksha's 10,000 is the drawing of Shiksha. So these are all the informations. And see, lastly, you are required to prepare profit and loss appropriation account and partners capital accounts. Here we have to prepare profit and loss appropriation account and also partners capital account. I'll show first profit and loss appropriation account information. Okay. I'll solve it here. Profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account. So, what is the format of profit and loss appropriation account? Particular amount, particular amount. It is a credit side and it is a debit side. Particular amount, again particular amount. First, there is a net profit of the firm. Before allowing partners remunerations or adjustments. So here there is a profit now, so that's why credit side by net profit or profit and loss account or profit and loss account. What is the net profit here? 23,000 200, no? So here. Then next information. See, these are the capitals of the partners. So capitals of the partners are entering in partners capital account. So leave it. Next, profit sharing ratio. After you are getting profit or loss, that is distributed among the partners in this capital ratio 2:3. Then next, Shiksha's salary. Shiksha's salary, for paying salary to the Shiksha. So for a firm it is an expenditure. So debit side. To who's the salary paying? Shiksha's. Shiksha's salary account. See, Shiksha's salary 5,000 per month. For whole 1 year is 60,000. Okay. After that, interest on partners' capitals. For paying interest on capital of the partners. So, for a firm, it is an expenditure. Firm paying interest on capital to the partners, no? So, that's why these are expenses for a firm and profit for or income for partners. So, it is expenses for firm to interest on capital, interest paying to the partner's contribution or partner's capital. So first partner is Rakhi, no? Rakhi's capital 2 lakh. On that 2 lakh, what is the rate of interest on capital? 10%, no? So 2 lakh into 10 by 100 means 20,000. 20,000 interest on Rakhi's capital. And what is the amount or a capital amount of Shiksha's 3 lakh is the contribution by Shiksha towards the firm. So on that 3 lakh, firm paying interest at 10%, no? So here Shiksha's capital is rupees 3 lakh. On the 10% means 30,000. Okay. Then drawing is related to the partner's capital account. So leave it. Now close the account. See, 60,000. 60, 20 plus 30. 1 lakh 10,000. 1 lakh 10,000 in a debit side and 23,200 is in credit side. For expenses are 1 lakh 10,000 and income is just only 23,200. So firm will get loss. So that the loss is recorded by whom? By the partners. So close the both sides with a higher amount. 1 lakh 10,000 1,10,000. And the difference is credit side differences means that is a loss. No, that loss is distributed among the partners of the firm. So by partners capital account, subheading is distribution of loss to the partners. Who are the partners here? First Rakhi and after that Shiksha. No? Rakhi and Shiksha. What is the total loss here? See, 1,10,000 minus 20, 3,200 means 86,800 is the loss. 83,600 is the loss. This loss is distributing among the partners in which ratio? It is very important. See, they already told that profit and loss is to be distributed in capital ratio. So what is the capital ratio here? 2:3. So that 83,600 is distributed among the partners in 2:3. Okay. See, 83,600 into Rakhi's share is 2%. No, so 2 by 5. 2:3. 2 plus 3, 5. After that, then what is the share of loss of Rakhi's? 34,720. It is the loss of Rakhi. Okay. Then Shiksha, 83,600 into 3 by 5 means what is the share of Shiksha's loss? 52,080. 52,080. Okay. So it is a profit and loss appropriation account. Okay. Then after that, partners capital account. Next account, partners capital account. Next account, partners capital account. So how many partners are in form? 2, no? Rakhi and Shiksha. Okay. So what is the format of partners capital account? Date, particular, JF, Rakhi column and Shiksha's column. After that again date, particular, JF, Rakhi column and Shiksha's column. date, first date, particular, Jeff, Rakhi column and Shiksha's column. After that, date, particular, Jeff, Rakhi column and Shiksha's column. So it is debit and it is credit. Okay. In the profit and loss appropriation account, profit arised or loss occurred. You have to transfer that profit or loss to the partner's capital account now. So, in the profit and loss account, they suffered from loss, no? So, that loss is transferring to the partner's capital account. So, loss means the debit side. To from which account they arise, they got lost, profit and loss appropriation account. It is a share of loss. What is the share of loss of Rakhi? 34,720, no? 34,720. Then Shiksha's loss of 52,080. It is the first information. After that, is there any capitals are introduced by partners? See, 2 lakh by Rakhi and 3 lakh by Shiksha, no? So their capitals are brought down in here. By balance brought down. It is the opening balance of the partner's capital account. So, what is the Rakhi's capital? 2 lakh. Then, next, Shiksha's 3 lakh. And also, see what are the informations are in questions? Salary, no, we already entered the salary information also in a profit and loss appropriation account, no. So Shiksha's salary for a firm, that is the expenses, but for a partner, that is the income, no. So income means credit side by salary. Whose salary? Rakhi or Shiksha? Shiksha's salary, no? So 5,000 per month means for 1 year, that is 60,000. Okay. So for Shiksha's column, you have to enter the amount 60,000. Then after that, interest on capitals at the rate of 10% per annum. Means interest on capital for a firm, that is an expenditure, no? But for a partner, that is an income. So credit side by interest on capital. So just only write the interest of on the capitals of the partners. So Raki's capital 2 lakh on the 10% means 20,000 and Shiksha's capital is rupees 3 lakh on that 10% means 30,000. Okay, next. Is there any drawing information here? See, during the year, withdraw rupees 7,000 by Raki and by Shiksha 10,000. So drawings also decreases the value of capital fund of the partners. No, so that's why double side. Two drawing. See first 3 lakh plus 60,000 plus 30,000. 3 lakh 90,000. Credit total of Shiksha. Then 2 lakh plus 20,000. 2 lakh 20,000 credit total of Rakhi. Then debit total of Shiksha is 52,080 plus 10,000. So 62,080. Next 34,720 plus 7,000. So 41,720. First, we are going to close the Shiksha's account. Shiksha's account. Shiksha's income is rupees 3 lakh. Total capital is rupees 3,90,000. In that expenditure losses are 62,080. If we are deducting, then also firm has to pay remaining of 3,27,920 rupees. After expenses and losses are deducting, then also firm has to pay to the Shiksha partner rupees how much? 3,27,920. So closing balance of the Shiksha's partner. So close the both sides 3,90,000 and 3,90,000 of Shiksha's column. So after that here two balance carried out means closing balance of capital. So how much? 3,27,920. Then next close the Raki's account also. Raki's capital account also. So here 2,20,000 is the total capital of the Raki. In that, after deducting these losses and expenditure, then also firm has to pay rupees 1,78,280. See, 2,20,000 minus 41,720. After deducting of profit and share of loss, then drawings, then also firm has to pay rupees how much? 1,78,280. Okay. So this is a closing balance of partner's capital account at the end of the year. It is a closing balance of capital of partners at the end of the year. So this balance is carried forward for a next year. So here we are brought down a by balance brought down. This balancing figure is transferred for a next year, further year. So how much for Raki? 1,78,280. And for Shiksha, 3,27,920. Okay. So it is a partner's capital account. Like this, you also solve the questions. Okay. If they are asking for to prepare profit and loss appropriation account, then partner's capital account, then you have to solve like this. Okay. So, sixth question is a homework for you guys. Okay. Solve this sixth one question and share it in RV online WhatsApp group. Okay. Thank you.